Tuesday or Wednesday, it should be all set. All right, that guy's no problem.
Ooh, dreaming.
Yeah, I'll give you a check today. Drop by for a give you a check, and you should be able to cash it by tomorrow afternoon. That's all I'll put in. This is what I gotta put up with. This is why I don't, really like chasing people and stuff. But you gotta do it.
I talk to different guys who do carpentry. I had a guy do a roof. He didn't check on, did the roof.
You dreaming? Ooh,
The
ooh.
roof never leaked even before. Now she got all kinds of leaks. The water's running down to the second floor. Another
Little
called me
teeth.
about insurance.
Look at those little teeth.
The guy did the roof wrong. Go after she
Puppy
was asking,
teeth.
get no insurance. But definitely the roof was put on wrong. Because he went up there to fix it 2 or 3 times and still leaked. Yeah. Look at the roof is put on architect. Architect roofs, you gotta know how to put them on. They don't go on like a regular roof. Their starters are different. Mac's house, no. He has me down. The first thing I did for him, I get down, I look at the roof. He said, Al, this roof's leaking. It's looking here and here. I look at the roof. He said, is there anything we do about it? It's only 2 years old. I said, yeah, it's only one thing you can do with it. Rip it off. He said, you're kidding me. I said, go after that bastard. I said, I'll help you with it.